Hrithik Roshan gives a perfect 10 to his on-screen chemistry with Katrina, at the same time smartly takes away all the credit for it too. Well, there you have it, another one of her co-stars finding an easy prey in Cat with all that leg pulling. And this just when she was beginning to enjoy her bang-bang break from all those solemn-faced roles, when Hrithik happened, leaving a red-faced Katrina, should we say?
Let me just start off by asking you guys a really simple question. How is everyone?
Fantastic.
Banging.
Don't lie, you're sleepy.
Still feeling great.
While you were making Bang Bang, you underwent a serious health scare. Your personal life was making national headlines, and yet in every interview you've said that this is the easiest film you've done. Why?
You choose to see your life the way you want to see it. You want to go through challenges and keep complaining about how difficult it is, that's your choice. Or you can go through them and keep saying that it's all right, that's life.
Katrina, what about you? Easiest film you've done?
Not an easy.
Because she likes making things difficult.
I like drama.
She loves challenges.
No, not
Even
an
when they
easy
don't,
film. Hey,
even when
Hrithik
they're
Roshan,
not
can
there.
I answer my own questions?
No, you can't.
Then I'm going to answer yours. That's
Oh,
a deal.
Beautiful.
Okay?
Night and Day, when it came out, it wasn't exactly one of Tom Cruise's highest grossers or most critically acclaimed film. So why did you choose this one?
I didn't choose it, it chose me.
Oh.
Deep, man. You're on a roll today.
I saw Night and Day on a flight. And I remember while I was seeing the film, I was saying to myself, this can be a really good Hindi film.
And how did Katrina come on board?
Sid called me.
I think it's
Sid forced her.
But Sid
Then I forced her.
Sid gave me a little lecture, which I don't know if he remembers, but I remember. So I was sitting on my couch, and he was sitting on the left couch. I just remember he was sitting. And I said, Sid, I don't know if exactly it's the kind of space, I'm not too sure because of this, because of that. So he said, you're taking yourself too seriously. I really just think that it's a great role for you.
She's
It's fun.
she's still not completely
and,
on board. I mean, she's just about
but
now.
this is the 10th time today
she's
you've said this line.
almost
You
realizing
have to say a new line.
and saying that, I should be a part of this film. I think she's just about to realize that.
So actually, he also said, on your last film, I've hardly seen you smile. And do you remember this?
Yeah, I know that. I tell you
I've
that every
hardly
day.
seen you smile, and I want you to do something fun and
so.
Last film
talkative.
was in
And
Doom 3.
no. At this point, when he offered it to me, I think it was Tiger. So, which was a little more of a serious, like a.
Tiger a bit for,
See, that's true, you don't smile much
For
in
Jab Tak Hai
Tiger.
Jaan also, I think she was.
Wait, it's not like, hey, I'm a spy. Oh, you're gonna betray me, and now you put the gun on my head. You can't exactly do that.
No, even
So,
Jab Tak Hai Jaan, I
yeah.
think she was a little.
Jab Tak Hai Jaan, that you're the love of my life, and now I've promised to God I can never be with you. I ain't gonna smile,
But
man. It's not
they were true
funny.
to their stories. I said this is a light-hearted entity,
There was so much of response for the two of you about how good you look as a couple on screen. When you have so many compliments coming your way about the way you look and how smoking hot you look on the big screen, does vanity creep in a little bit?
No, for me, it's a huge sense of relief. Every time I see that review, I go on the internet and you see those things, and like, they're looking so, they're looking good. They're looking so good together. I'm like, wow, phew.
Thank God.
Thank God. It's a huge sense of relief.